Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming ownership and essential details. Find the iPhone model, serial number, or IMEI. These speed up support. Once done, collect proof of purchase like a receipt or order email, and make sure you know the Apple ID and account email tied to the device. If you bought it used, gather seller contact info and any transfer documentation. You're not trying to bypass security. You're preparing verifiable evidence to restore access through authorized channels. You now contact Apple support via the app or official phone line and clearly explain you need legitimate account recovery. Provide the serial number or IMEI and upload your proof of purchase when prompted. This allows them to validate ownership. Once verified, Apple will walk you through account-based recovery steps or device reset options. If Find My is enabled, make sure you can access the linked Apple ID. If not, Apple's verification is what unlocks official remedies, not circumvention. Finish the process by following Apple's approved steps and timelines. After verification, Apple may allow an activation reset through iCloud or help you erase and restore via Finder or iTunes. You'll sign back in with your Apple ID to regain full access. Make sure you set a new strong passcode and enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. If anything goes wrong, keep your support ticket number and request escalation. These records help resolve delays without resorting to unsafe methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.